The resident representative of the United Nations Development Programme in Ghana, Dr. Angela Lusigi, has hailed efforts by an environmental conservation group, WETO platform, to restore the degraded forest cover of the WETO landscape. The WETO landscape is part of the Epapim-Togo mountain range, stretching from Esekuma in the eastern region through Peki, Chito, Beve and Hohoi, all in the Volta region.
The WETO landscape covers over 135,000 hectares of land. Due to human activities such as illegal felling of trees, bush burning and farming, the landscape is being degraded. With support from the UNDP, the WETO platform was established to restore the lost biodiversity. The platform, with a membership of 10 civil society organizations and some traditional authorities, has since 2012, under the Global Environment Facility Small Grants Program, been embarking on environmental conservation activities. With UNDP being a supporting agency of the project, the resident representative of the UNDP, Dr. Angela Lusigi, was at the WETO landscape to assess the impact of the project. She expressed satisfaction with the level of work carried out. Dr. Lusigi also spoke about UNDP's support towards local projects that are in line with SDG 15.
UNDP is here to continue supporting Ghana's efforts to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals, and we believe that it's important to combine food for people as well as economic opportunities while conserving our planet. So they're extremely big opportunities for communities to benefit, and we're here to support them.
The national coordinator of the Global Environment Facility Small Grants Program, Dr. George Ortson, said the intervention was timely considering the urgent action needed to combat climate change. The team later called on the paramount chief of the Avetime traditional area, Osie Ajatekpo himself, an environmentalist. He commended UNDP for supporting the WETO platform to halt biodiversity loss on the landscape.
Make me the forest conservation champion, and you will not regret it. And I think that all Abatime will be part of you. Coincidentally, too, there is a larger group of chiefs in the whole West District, which we call the Congress of Paramount Chiefs and Queens of Whole West. And I'm supposed to be their chief servant. And the whole West is a forested district, and we are doing everything possible to protect the forest.
The team also toured the Amejope Canopy Walkway and visited a cocoa and agroforestry site at Saviefe Agokpo.